All right, so I'm at Nardelli's. They own establishments all over Connecticut. Been in business for 100 years. This is a beautiful sandwich, very tasty. The bread is perfect. I give that an A or a 100. The meat, I give that an A or a 100. Then the vegetables are great. Cheese is fantastic as well. They use like a vegetable mix here. It's almost like maybe like a half sour pickle that might be in there, or maybe just a regular cucumber with peppers, black olives, tomatoes. But this is really, really tasty. I had mustard and throw it on my sandwich, but absolutely enjoyed this so far. So Nardelli's, great place. Been thinking about coming here since 2014. Had written an article about this place on one of my early MazzaMedia pages. Probably right around that year, 2014. I'd never been down here, but I'm in the area today, so I decided to stop in and taste it, and it wasn't a disappointment at all, that's for sure. Nardelli's in Connecticut, multiple locations.